Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEBS Home School. This is Marjia Islam, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Now I am going to take a General Science class for class 1. Our today's topic is Chapter 13, discussion, page 84 to 89 plus exercise. And our SW is choose the correct answer and true false. Now start our class. The chapter name is Our House and Clothes. Need for a house. We need a house because it protects us from heat, cold, rain, wild animals and thieves. Houses may be big or small. A flat is a house in a tall building. Underline this line. Dear students, underline this line. A flat is a house in a tall building. This is flat. See the picture. This is flat. Now, a hut is a small and simple house. Underline this line. This is the picture of hut. Now, the page number 85. Rooms in a house. This is Mona's house. There are many rooms in her house. Different rooms in a house are used for different works. This is my house. This is here. Every student look at the picture. Now this is storeroom. This storeroom is we keep things that are not used in the storeroom. This is the picture of storeroom and this is the picture of bedroom. Dear students, look at the picture. This is bedroom's pictures. We sleep in the bedroom. Now this is kitchen. We cook in the kitchen. This is the picture of kitchen. Look at the picture. This is picture of kitchen. Now this is the picture of dining room. We eat in the dining room. This is the picture of dining room. This is the picture of living room. We sit and relax in the living room. This is the picture of living room. This is bathroom. We take a bath in the bathroom. Dear students, this is the picture of bathroom. Now the page number 86. Need for clothes. We need clothes to keep our body safe from heat, cold, wind and rain. Underline this line. They help us to stay clean and tidy. Underline this line. We wear different clothes at different times. Now we wear thin cotton cloths when it is hot. Underline this line, dear students. We wear thin cotton cloths when it is hot. We wear woolen cloths when it is cold. Underline this line. We wear raincoats and gumboots when it rains. Underline this line. We wear raincoats and gumboots when it rains. We also carry an umbrella. A house made of bricks and stone is a pucca house and a house made of mud and clay is a kacha house. In your exercise copy, paste the picture of different type of houses and write their names. Point to be remember. We need a house to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, wild animals and thieves. Underline this line. Different rooms in a house are used for different works. We need clothes to keep our body safe from heat, cold, wind and rain. Now the exercise. A. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. A flat, hut, apartment is a small and simple house. The answer is a hut. The answer is a hut is a small and simple house. Number 2. We use the living room, kitchen, bedroom to meet guests. Here the answer is living room. We use the living room to meet guests. Number 3. We wear a cotton shirt, sweater, raincoat in winter. Here the answer is sweater. We wear sweater in winter. Now number 4. We eat in the kitchen, dining room, bedroom. This answer is dining room. We eat in the dining room. Clothes, house, umbrella help us to stay clean and tidy. This answer is clothes. Number 5. Clothes help us to stay clean and tidy. Now fill in the blanks. B. Number 1. A house in a tall building, flat. Number 2. A room where we take a bath, bathroom. Number 3. A room where we cook, kitchen. Number 4. Shows that we wear when it rains, gumboot. Now the page nong 89. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Which of the following helps us to taste? The answer is tongue. Number 2. What do we get from animals? This answer is milk. This is out of syllabus. Now B. True and false. Number 1. We wear same clothes at different times. This is false. Number 2. We wear shoes while playing. This is true. Number 3. Food helps us to grow and stay healthy. This is true. Number 4. Our hands, legs, head, stomach and chest are sense organs. This is false. Dear students, our today's homework is choose the correct answer and true false. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.